Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. We're on ayah number 178 of Surat al Baqarah. I'm just going to repeat each one of these words a few times, but really slow, not too much explanation. Inshallah, you'll get it. We are here. A'udhu billahi min shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ya ayyuha. Ya ayyuhalladhina. Okay, if this is hard, too fast, go back to lesson 1 of ours and follow the lessons, because by now this is not really full beginning. Okay, this is where you're reading, but you're a little bit faster now. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumu alaykumul mul, because that drops, mul qisasu, kutiba alaykumul qisasu fil qatla al hurru bil hurri, okay, wal abdu, okay, والعبد بالعبد والأنثى بالأنثى, okay, والأنثى بالأنثى. Why is it slightly extended? Because of the tha after the nun sakina, right? And it flows better in Arabic. بالعبد والأنثى بالأنثى, as opposed to wal untha. You see, it kind of helps you and facilitates. One of my teachers once told me that, it's just there to facilitate your tongue and your reading. It makes it a lot easier. Faman, okay. Faman ufiya lahu min akhihi shay'un. Now tricky, tanween before the fa, ikhfa. Shay'un fattiba'un bil ma'rufi. Okay, fattiba'un bil ma'rufi wa ada'un ilayhi bi ihsan. ذلك تخفيف من ربكم ورحمة. فمن اعتدى بعد ذلك فله عذاب أليم. ولكم في القصاص حياة. ولكم في القصاص حياة يا أولي الألباب. يا أولي الألباب لعلكم. So يا أولي الألباب لعلكم تتقون. شد on the lam. لعلكم تتقون. ولكم في القصاص حياة يا أولي الألباب لعلكم تتقون. Last ayah. كتب عليكم عليكم إذا حضر كتب عليكم إذا حضر أحدكم 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 الموت إن ترك كتب عليكم إذا حضر أحدكم الموت إن ترك خيرا all right, so خيرا. So we have an issue here. How is this read? خيرا الوصية. There's an invincible little noon that appears here. Okay. In some prints, I just want to show you something here. Some prints, right? Al khayra nil. You see that? خيرا الوصية. خيرا الوصية. Nil wasiyatu. Okay? Just wanted to show you that. Because of two sukuns that line up. So you would read it as nil. خيرا الوصية. خيرا الوصية للوالدين والأقربين. Okay, والأقربين, the qaf there has what is called qalqala, just slightly doubles. بالمعروف حقا على المتقين. حقا على المتقين. فمن, we'll do one more, okay? فمن, this noon followed by a ba, noon sakina, becomes, you basically say it with a meme sound. فمن بدله فمن بدله. Okay, بدله بعدما سمعه فإنما إثمه على الذين. Make sure that you stretch that out. That's a med. Okay. What's the ruling? If you have an alif followed by a hamza, this usually is the case. فإنما إثمه, slightly on the ha there. إثمه على الذين يبدلونه إن الله. Or you could stop على الذين يبدلونه like that. Or if I want to continue, فإنما إثمه على الذين يبدلونه إن الله, like that. إن الله سميع عليم. إن الله سميع عليم. All right, we'll stop there. Alhamdulillah, inshallah, we'll see you next time for another class. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in.